One chapter, one powerful message. The book of Obadiah, a prophecy of judgment, pride, and hope that resonates across history. Not much is known about Obadiah himself, as the Bible does not provide many details about his life or background. The name Obadiah means servant of the Lord, or worshiper of Yahweh, which reflects his role as a prophet of God. Overall, Obadiah is known more for his prophetic message rather than his personal biography, but his words have been impactful in shaping the understanding of God's justice and his dealings with nations. Obadiah, the shortest book in the Bible, focuses on a single nation, Edom, but the message, far-reaching. Edom, descendants of Esau, was a proud nation living high in the mountains, believing they were untouchable. Imagine this, a nation so proud of its strength and its high fortified cities. They thought, who can bring us down? But God had a different plan. In the book of Obadiah, God announces a day of reckoning, the day of the Lord. It's a day of divine justice, where nations will be held accountable for their wrongs. Edom didn't just stand by, they actively betrayed Israel, taking advantage of Israel's struggles, laughing as their brother Jacob fell. And that would not go unpunished. God, in his righteousness, promises to humble Edom. The proud will fall, and the violence against Israel will be avenged. Edom's lofty position will come crashing down. But here's the good news. While Edom faces destruction, Israel is promised restoration. The house of Jacob will possess their land, and God's kingdom will reign forever from Mount Zion. In the end, Obadiah reminds us of God's ultimate control over the nations. His justice brings peace and restoration. The kingdom will belong to Yahweh, and his people will dwell in safety and hope. Obadiah's brief message carries a timeless truth. Pride leads to destruction, but in God's justice and mercy, there is always hope. Will you trust in his justice today? Check out the book of Obadiah of the Old Testament and read it for yourself and listen to what the Holy Spirit says to you. Be blessed.